So the big trick in this one was to divide both sides, or divide both terms in the numerator by cosine squared, and then rewrite them. That gave us something which you could find an antiderivative, etc. And then we got some nice exact values. Tangent of pi over 4 is 1 times, or plus 7 times pi over 4. It gives us something like this. Now this is what I'm going to want on your exam. I'm going to ask for exact answers. But you still could check it. It's just that fn int is not going to give you an exact value like this. It's just going to give you the decimal value. Now, actually checking this becomes a little bit challenging. So let me help you with that. It's challenging because your calculator doesn't understand the cosine squared notation like we have it here. So to do this, we're going to do math 9. And then I want to type in the limits 0 to pi over 4, second pi divided by 4. And then here, I think it's going to be convenient if I do that little fraction trick. So for myself, I can hit the alpha key, then the x key. That'll give me that fraction. But if you don't have that on yours, and some don't, then, oops, let's see, I want to hit alpha and then the y equals key. That's going to give me this term right here. That allows me to draw a fraction. I want 3, how about the 3 first? 3 plus 7 times cosine squared. Well, to get cosine squared, you have to put parentheses, then the cosine, then an x, a parenthesis to close off the cosine, another parenthesis, and then finally the square term. And I got to duplicate that in the denominator to get a cosine squared down there. It doesn't understand secant at all, so you're not going to be able to do that. Even if you try typing in with the alpha keys here, it just doesn't like that. Cosine of x, 2 parentheses, 1 to close off the cosine, 1 to close off the x. And then again hit the square key. And finally over here we're integrating with respect to x. I know our problem did theta, but I don't feel like typing this all in terms of thetas. And hold our breath. Bam. Exactly the same thing. So you can check it. It's just that on your exam, I'm going to want to see the exact answer. You're not going to be able to figure out that exact answer by toying around with this decimal value. You're just not. So, but it's nice to be able to check it. All right. Was anyone able to actually follow along and get that number off their calculator? A couple of you were? All right. Great. Thanks so much.